If your trim looks like it was measured with a spaghetti noodle, it's time to upgrade. A good miter saw turns guesswork into crisp angles, buttery slides, and repeatable cuts that actually meet. In our video to the best miter saws, we'll decode blade sizes, bevel versus compound, rails versus compact, and the dust control that saves your lungs and shop. Whether you're framing, flooring, or crafting crown, we'll point you to torque, accuracy, and features that deliver pro results. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Metabo HPT C10FCGS, our pick for best budget miter saw. If you want a budget miter saw that doesn't act budget, the Metabo HPT C10FCGS is your thrifty powerhouse. You're working with a 10-inch compound setup and a 15-ampere motor that spins up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. Clean, confident cuts for trims, frames, and weekend hero projects. The high-speed steel blade eats through wood without whining, and the corded design keeps power steady from first cut to last. You'll move faster with thumb-actuated positive stops. Tap, lock, cut. The large table gives your stock real support, while the included vice clamp keeps fingers safe and lines straight. Angle flexibility? You've got it. Swing 0 to 52 degrees left or right for miters, then tilt 0 to 45 degrees left for bevels. Adjustable bevel stops help you repeat those money cuts without fiddling. Here's the kicker. It weighs just 24.2 pounds. Toss it in the trunk, carry it upstairs, stash it on a shelf. No gym membership required. Despite the featherweight feel, it doesn't flinch on performance. It's compact, easy to store, and ready to set up wherever the job takes you. You get pro-like precision without pro-level spending. Quick adjustments, solid clamping, a roomy table, and angles for days. So your molding lines meet perfectly. Your frames look square, and your to-do list finally stops judging you. For value hunters who still demand accuracy, the C10FCGS nails it. Number 4. Skil 10-inch, our pick for best dual-bevel sliding miter saw. If you want pro-level chops without the diva attitude, the Skil 10-inch dual-bevel sliding miter saw is your new shop sidekick. A 15-ampere motor spins up to 4,800 revolutions per minute, so you tear through trim, deck boards, and stubborn studs with clean, confident cuts. The dual-bevel design saves your back. Tilt left or right with 4 positive stops at 48 degrees and 45 degrees left, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees right. No awkward board flipping, just efficient workflow. You'll dial in accuracy fast with the LED shadow line. It throws a crisp, blade-exact shadow that's more reliable than fussy lasers, letting you land the kerf exactly where your pencil says so. Need capacity? You're covered. Crosscut up to 2x12 at 90 degrees and 2x8 at 45 degrees, so big crown, beefy fascia, and chunky shelving all fall in line. Miter flexibility keeps the momentum going. Swing up to 50 degrees left or right with 11 positive stops at the angles you actually use. The sliding rails give you reach, the high-speed steel blade stays sharp, and the corded design means steady power all day. You set the plan, this Skil executes. Precise, repeatable, and fast. Your corners close tight, your lines stay true, and your weekend quick project finally wraps before Monday shows up. Still searching for the perfect miter saw? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DeWalt DCS361B, our pick for best battery-powered miter saw. If your projects roam from the garage to the driveway, the DeWalt DCS361B is the cordless co-pilot you've been waiting for. You get the freedom of a battery-powered miter saw without sacrificing accuracy thanks to an integrated cut line cross-cut positioning system that gives you adjustment-free cut line indication. You'll cut confidently across wood and metal with an alloy steel blade and a precise meter system, backed by a machined base and fence for rock-solid support. Need repeatable angles? The adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate offers 11 positive stops, so you can lock in common cuts fast and keep your momentum. And when it's time to fine-tune bevels, the oversized bevel scale makes dialing in the angle easy on your eyes and your schedule. Crown molding and baseboards don't scare you, and they won't scare this saw either. You've got the capacity to handle 3 5/8 inch nested crown and 3.5 inch base vertically, so trim work feels less like wrestling and more like winning. The cam lock miter handle snaps to your chosen angle quickly and accurately, saving you from endless micro adjustments. At just 30 pounds, it's compact and ready to travel. Toss it in the truck, carry it up a flight of stairs, or stash it on a crowded shelf, no complaints. You're after clean, reliable cuts without the cord drama. The DCS361B delivers with portable power, dialed-in precision, and the kind of durability that earns a permanent spot in your kit. Number 2. Bosch GCM12SD, our pick for best Axial-Glide precision miter saw. If you want showroom-grade cuts without sacrificing half your bench, the Bosch GCM12SD is your precision ace. The patented Axial-Glide system replaces bulky rails with a silky, space-saving glide that keeps alignment true and hands you back about 12 inches of workspace. Translation: wider crosscuts in a tighter shop, zero drama. You get serious capacity, up to 14 inches horizontal, plus 6.5 inches vertical against the fence for base, and 6.5 inch crown nested at a 45-degree spring. So tall trim and chunky stock line up and look pro. Adjustments are blissfully simple thanks to a big uniform bevel scale and stainless steel miter scales with clearly marked detents and roof pitch angles. Bevel detents at 0 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees left-right keep compound cuts consistent, so your corners meet like they planned it. Precision is built in. Square lock quick-release fences lock perfectly at 90 degrees to the table, then slide with a one-touch lock-unlock when your workpiece needs extra support. Pair it with a vac and you'll capture up to 90% of dust while cutting 2 times material. Less sweeping, more building. Powered by a corded motor and a carbide blade, it chews through wood cleanly and repeatably. The footprint stays compact, the action stays smooth, and your measurements stay honest. You set the angle, the GCM12SD delivers wide, tall, dead-on cuts, faster setups, cleaner results, and a workspace that finally feels smart. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DeWalt DWS779, our pick for best miter saw overall. If you want a miter saw that makes you look like you've been doing this for years, the DeWalt DWS779 is your wingman. You get a 12-inch setup with a stainless steel miter detent plate featuring 10 positive stops, so you lock angles fast and cut sooner. The precise miter system and machined base fence keep your lines true, while the cam lock miter handle lets you dial in custom angles without wrestling the saw. You'll love the tall sliding fences. They support 6 3/4 inch base vertically, so crown and base moldings behave. Need flexibility? You can bevel 0 degrees to 48 degrees left and right, then cross-cut big stock with confidence, up to 2 by 14 inches at 90 degrees and 2 by 10 inches at 45 degrees. Dual horizontal steel rails, an innovative clamping mechanism, and linear ball bearings keep the slide silky and the cuts repeatable. No wobble, no drama. Because your lungs matter, the efficient dust collection corrals over 75% of the mess. And when you're moving fast, the oversized high-visibility bevel scale with positive stops saves you from squinting and second-guessing. It's corded electric for consistent power all day, with blade materials built for durability and a deck that's ready for stainless surface work. You set the angle, the DWS779 delivers the cut. Clean, accurate, and ready for finish. Your projects will look straighter, your timeline shorter, and your confidence louder. Whew! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best miter saws. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which miter saw you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.